I'm Charles Ochichi. I'm the Director General of Enterprise Uganda. Enterprise Uganda is involved in the delivery of essential skills in the Grow project. And the purpose of those skills is to improve the productivity of a woman who benefits from the project. The productivity element of Grow is important because that is where competitiveness is taken care of. Anybody going into private sector must recognize that the word competition exists, and competition will come by way of pricing, quality, delivery, as well as aspects to do with presentation. Now, if your productivity can take care of all those things so well, you will end up being very competitive because your price will be better. Because of productivity, you will also discover that the way you are delivering the quality is cheaper, but the quality is very good. Because of productivity, the losses will be lower. Your profitability is much higher. If you achieve all those, productivity will have given you a weapon that is difficult to underestimate. Grow project has targeted women. And it has targeted women because for a long time, we have left a woman to be involved in what you call informal and micro enterprise. For all these decades, for all this long time, we have left a woman in the lower parts of the private sector. By doing that, we have underutilized half of our own population. So Grow Project is simply saying, let us bring back the woman gender into the equation of the productivity of a country. A woman does not only produce and lead to a better output of a nation directly, she also can influence the productivity of the family, the productivity of the children, and she can be a control point for the wastefulness of sometimes their own husbands. As Enterprise Uganda, we bring our skills and experience of empowering entrepreneurs in the private sector of this country that has lasted no less than 24 years. In doing so, we have been able to bring women into the private sector, empower them with the skills to run businesses as entrepreneurs, to be able to produce solutions that can compete on their own merit through just giving these women to appreciate the power of skills, the power of planning, the power of resource mobilization at the cheapest possible cost, including things like having partnerships with suppliers, being able to work with a micro institution, graduating from there to a bank, which is commercial, from a bank to a development bank. That is what Enterprise Uganda does. So by doing that, the institution can push a woman to access capital at a micro level, at a level that is short-term, to a level that is now medium, large, and also development finance. And the moment a woman is able to access money at that kind of a level, that is the woman that you can count on to contribute to run any enterprise in any sector. And in our own portfolio, we have a case of a lady running Victoria's Schools. That's Barbara Fono. Victoria's Schools is one of the best in the country. It's a demonstration on what business development services can do to make a woman to reach resources that can be available in the economy for anybody running a viable and a strong business brand. If I'm to assess the impact of the Grow project, I would use the following parameters. Number one, a woman who came to participate in the Grow project must diversify the sources of finance. Suppliers must come in, donors must come in, internally generated reinvested capital must come in. Then most importantly, even as she goes into the commercial banking sector, she should be able to start from micro to medium size to large loans. If you see that happening, you have clearly empowered that woman. But number two, the market space that woman will be serving should get much bigger than where we found them. If she was serving within one district, she should cover a region, the entire region, which is 8 districts. She should move beyond the Tenso region and go to the Bugisu region, or the Buked region. If you see that happening, you have empowered that woman. Thirdly, if you see that woman beginning to serve clients of a certain category, certain quality, and meeting the expectations of such a category. For example, a woman who never used to supply supermarkets is now supplying supermarkets. A woman that never used to supply mukwano is now supplying mukwano. If you see that happening, you know what you have done through business development services is this working.